A front loader has many advantages like better energy efficiency, less water consumption, improved cleaning performance, and a plethora of washing programs. But one of its main disadvantages is that they can reek of mold and mildew. Initially, it would be just unsightly black patches on the rubber sealing or gasket of the front loader. But soon, the whole washing machine starts stinking and even your washed clothes. If you are careful enough and follow some basic tips, you will be able to eliminate mold in your washing machine. Let us get into that first. It's easy to forget to clean your washing machine door seal or rubber, and it's tricky to dislodge of all the dirt and grime when you don't know the best way to do it. If you find mold on the rubber gasket of your front-load washing machine, act immediately. Or else, it will spread all over the rubber seal, making it tough to clean. Here are the step-by-step instructions on how to remove mold from the gasket of a front loader. 1. Wipe the gasket. The first step is to wipe the gasket to remove any mildew, hair and such residue off the gasket. Use a clean cloth and wash it separately so that you don't transfer the mold to any other objects. Alternatively, use paper towels to clean so that you can dispose them off. 2. Make a paste of baking soda and bleach. We are not providing an exact quantity of how much baking soda to use, as it depends on the extent of mold infestation. Take baking soda in a bowl and add just enough bleach to make a paste. Use baking soda and not baking powder. Also, ideally, use Clorox bleach instead of Allah. Clorox has 7% sodium hypochlorite, while Allah has just 4%. So, Clorox provides better results compared to Allah. 3. Apply the paste. Use a toothbrush to apply the paste thoroughly on the affected parts of the rubber seal. Apply liberally so that the area is completely covered. Leave it overnight or for 12 hours. 4. Wipe it off. Using a damp cloth, wipe off the paste from the rubber gasket. The bleach will have almost eradicated the mold within this time. 5. Run washing machine with bleach. Pour a quarter cup of bleach into the drum and run the washing machine on the hottest cycle. Mold grows not just in the rubber seal, but also in the tub which encases the drum. So, it is important that you disinfect the drum thoroughly to get rid of any odor and kill the mold in the drum. Do not pour bleach into the conditioner dispenser, as the washing machine takes it into the drum only in the final stages. This wouldn't disinfect the drum sufficiently. How often you should clean your washing machine door seal depends on how much you use your washing machine. It's easy to work out when your door seal is in need of a scrub. If you notice unpleasant smells coming from the inside of your washing machine, or if there are visible dark marks on your washing machine rubber door seal, then that is always a good indicator that it needs to be cleaned. Here are a few tips to prevent mold in your washing machine in the first place. As with everything else, prevention is better than cure. Mold, as you know, is a living organism. They need moisture, food and a dingy environment to thrive. Cut these off and mold cannot survive anymore. Let us explore how to do that. Ensure that you don't add excess detergent while washing clothes. The excess detergent residue gets settled on the gasket and becomes fodder for mold. When not in use, keep the door of front-load washing machines open. The airflow allows the excess moisture to evaporate. Keep a clean towel beside your washing machine and wipe the gasket after every wash cycle. If this is not possible, at least wipe it down every week. Do not leave wet clothes inside the washing machine for a long time. Use time delay functions so that your clothes are ready just on time. If possible, keep your washing machine in a place with sufficient ventilation. Finally, though effective, bleach can damage the rubber sealing. So, do not use this method on a constant basis. Instead, opt for methods to prevent mold. As mentioned earlier, use baking soda and not baking powder. Also, opt for Clorox bleach instead of Allah. If you are using other brands, ensure it has at least 7% sodium hypochlorite concentration. Also, never mix bleach with vinegar or acid as it emits chlorine fumes, which is harmful when inhaled. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean your dishwasher with baking soda and vinegar. Thanks for watching and bye for now.